Hey guys, if you're interested in investing in Texitcoin mining and your sponsor is giving you a link that goes directly to this page, then you can be missing out on some great opportunities because the affiliate program has a 1-2 free sponsorship through which if you invite three other people, then you will receive an additional 100 mega hash since your sponsor or your influencer is persuading you to get in. Once you get in, they can give you a link that comes to a site like this, which uses our auto referral program. What this does is adds your affiliate ID to a rotation of affiliate IDs that your sponsor advertises so that they are able to benefit from their downlines and you are able to benefit from their work, thus receiving up to 3 direct referrals, which will give you that 1-2 free sponsorship of 100 mega hash. So if you're not using this particular page to enter into that Texit coin mining, then you are losing out because this ID here will change with each display. Okay. If your sponsor is not aware of this, I recommend that you make them aware of it. And if you need more information, I will leave a link in the description to the full post talking about the benefits of this auto referral system. If you're just a user and signing up under a sponsor, then this will give you all of the information on how it benefits you. If your sponsor wants to participate and acquire one of our team builder accounts so that they can benefit you and themselves simultaneously, send them over to this link and they will be able to submit their information from here and get a team builder account.